Imagine writing a letter, not to a friend but to the universe itself. You don't know who will read it, or if anyone is out there at all. But you send it anyway, filled with the sights and sounds of your world. This is the story of Voyager 2, a time capsule launched in 1977, carrying a golden record with music, greetings, and the sounds of Earth. It's a message in a bottle, cast into the cosmic ocean, hoping that someday someone might find it. Voyager 2 is our silent ambassador, still journeying through the unknown, carrying our hopes and curiosity into the stars. For most of its life, Voyager 2 traveled within the heliosphere, a giant bubble created by the sun's solar wind, shielding our solar system from the galaxy's harshest rays. Everything we knew was inside this bubble, our cosmic home. But Voyager 2's destiny was to leave it behind. In late 2018, it crossed the heliopause, the edge of the sun's influence, entering interstellar space. For the first time, a human-made object had passed into the space between the stars. This was a monumental achievement, opening a new chapter in our understanding of the universe. Imagine sailing from a river into the open sea. That's what Voyager 2 experienced. Its instruments detected a sharp drop in solar wind and a rise in galactic cosmic rays. The probe had left the gentle environment of the heliosphere for the raw, unfiltered energy of the galaxy. This transition was not just a change in location, but a change in reality. Voyager 2 was now in a fundamentally different part of the universe. The data it sent back gave us our first direct measurements of this mysterious region. It was like dipping a toe into the interstellar ocean for the very first time. The Great Escape was complete. Voyager 2 had become our first true interstellar messenger. It was reporting back from the wilderness beyond our cosmic backyard. When Voyager 2 crossed into interstellar space, scientists listened, not for sound but for plasma waves, the vibrations of the cosmic medium. Within our solar system, the sun's activity creates a constant hum. But beyond the heliopause, Voyager 2 found an eerie, pervasive silence. The plasma in interstellar space was far sparser than expected, with very few particles to vibrate. It was as if the universe had suddenly held its breath. Scientists had expected chaos, but instead found tranquility. The quiet was a discovery in itself, revealing that the interstellar medium is remarkably calm in our corner of the galaxy. It's a place where things change over millions of years, not days. Our solar system is like a noisy city. The heliopause is the city limit. Beyond it lies the vast, quiet countryside of the galaxy. The silence Voyager 2 detected is the true sound of deep space. It's a sound that speaks of immense distances and unimaginable ages. This deep silence forces us to reconsider our place in the universe. We live in a tiny, noisy neighborhood in an overwhelmingly silent galaxy. The silence is perhaps the most fundamental characteristic of the space between stars. Voyager 2 let us hear it for the first time. Is interstellar space completely empty and silent? Not quite. It's more like a library where everyone is whispering. The space between stars is filled with a thin mix of gas, dust, and charged particles, the interstellar medium. There's only about 1 atom per cubic centimeter, making the silence profound. But Voyager 2's instruments can pick up faint whispers, vibrations caused by shock waves from our sun. When these shock waves hit the interstellar medium, it rings like a bell, and Voyager hears a faint rising tone. These whispers are valuable clues, revealing the density and structure of the interstellar medium. As Voyager 2 travels further, it finds the plasma density is slowly increasing. The interstellar medium isn't uniform. It has its own weather and geography. Each faint hum is a piece of a puzzle, telling the story of how stars interact with the space around them. Our sun moves through this medium, creating a wake like a boat in water. Voyager 2 samples that wake and the undisturbed space beyond. It's revealing a dynamic environment that was once only theoretical. The eerie silence is punctuated by these crucial whispers. Each one is a message from the galactic wilderness. The silence Voyager 2 discovered has deep implications. It shows our solar system is a special, protected place, a cocoon woven by the sun. Outside this bubble, the universe is colder, emptier, and quieter than we imagined. Voyager 2 provided the first direct measurements of the interstellar medium, forcing astronomers to revise their models. The boundary of our solar system is a gentle transition, not a violent collision. The galaxy flows around us, not crashing in. The silence is a testament to the vast, lonely expanses between stars. It underscores the isolation of our solar system and Earth. For the search for extraterrestrial life, this silence is a barrier, a cosmic moat separating the stars. Any civilization wanting to explore the galaxy must cross this immense stillness. Understanding this barrier is the first step to crossing it. The silence is humbling, and it changes how we see our place in the cosmos. Voyager 2's findings are the first map of this quiet frontier. Just when we thought we understood the silence, Voyager 1, Voyager 2's twin, sent back a new mystery. In 2021, it detected a faint, persistent hum in the interstellar plasma, a steady, low-level vibration. It wasn't caused by solar shock waves, but by thermally excited plasma waves, the background noise of the interstellar medium itself. Even in near absolute zero, there's enough energy for these faint vibrations. This constant hum is a new tool for exploring the cosmos, allowing scientists to continuously measure the density of the interstellar medium. It's like having a permanent sonar system mapping the cosmic ocean floor. The silence of space, it turns out, has its own subtle soundtrack. Deep space is overwhelmingly quiet, but not absolutely silent. It has a baseline hum, the faint signature of its own existence. This dual discovery, profound quiet, then a persistent hum, shows how science evolves. Voyager 1 and 2 are teaching us how to listen to space, revealing both its grand silences and its subtle whispers. The story of silence is more complex than we ever imagined. As of August 4, 2025, Voyager 2 continues its lonely journey over 12 billion miles from Earth. Its power source is fading, and scientists are shutting down systems to preserve its last watts. Every day, it travels 800,000 miles further into the unknown, collecting data from places no object has ever been. It's our scout on the interstellar frontier, tasting the galactic wind and measuring the magnetic fields between stars. Its journey is a testament to the power of looking outward. Voyager 2 will never return home. It will wander the Milky Way for millions of years, long after Earth has changed. It will outlast its creators, a silent monument to a curious species. Its golden record will be its only companion, a ghost ship carrying the memory of humanity. Around 2030, its power will run out and its last whisper will fade. But its journey will not end. It will continue, a piece of human ingenuity coasting through the stars. Voyager 2 is a powerful symbol of our brief existence. We are here for a short time, but we can send a part of ourselves on an eternal journey. Voyager 2 is our legacy, written in the silence of deep space. Voyager 2's mission has changed our perspective forever. By traveling to the edge of our solar system and beyond, it's shown us the vastness of the universe and the preciousness of our world. The famous pale blue dot photograph, taken by Voyager 1, showed Earth as a single pixel, a humbling realization. The discoveries about the heliosphere and interstellar medium have laid the groundwork for future exploration. Any mission to the stars will rely on the pathfinding work of the Voyager probes. They've given us our first map of the local interstellar environment. Voyager 2 is an enduring source of inspiration, capturing the essence of the human spirit, the desire to explore and learn. It reminds us what we can achieve together. The story of a small probe traveling for decades through the silence of space ignites a sense of wonder. The silence Voyager 2 revealed is the sound of possibility, the vast, empty canvas of the universe. Voyager 2's legacy is not just scientific, but a connection to the cosmos, helping us understand our small, beautiful world.